Hi, everyone. My name is Petrov. I'm from Plovdiv, Bulgaria. Thank you for the introduction. It's an honor for me to present my research today, which delivers into the analysis of the second grade mathematics textbook in Bulgaria, focusing especially on core topic of addition, and subtraction up to 100 without regrouping. This topic is addressed in the first term of the second grade. It's a critical stage in primary education where the core is logical and analytical thinking is formed. Context and objections of the study. To understand the significance of the study, we must first consider the broader education context. The recent education forums in the Republic of Bulgaria strictly aim to bring our national education standards in line with the European requirements. The main task of these updates curricula is positive high quality and comparative education. The main focus for mathematics in the second grade is development of consistable mathematical comparative skills that give students the confidence to solve practical and real-life problems. Our goal today is to analyze 9 official approved educational kits by the Ministry of Education and Science. We set our critically examine their theoretic framework, identity similar and difference in teaching methodologies, and ultimately highlight the best pedagogical practice. Methodical sequences. Our research showed that mastering addition and subtraction up to 100 is the best accompaniment, but by giving the operations into 4 separate methodical groups. You can see on the slide. First group is focused on basic operation, combining tens and ones, such as 20 plus 3 or 23 minus 3. This established a basic understanding of the decimal fraction system. Or to get out of context, it's adding around 10 at the single digit number, or subscribing single digit number from 2 digits numbers, 2-digit number to get around 10. The second group moves to working with single digit numbers such as 21 plus 5 or 26 minus 5. The focus here is strictly on operation until the units order. The tens order does not change on the second group. Third group introduce operation with round tens such as 27 plus 10 or 37 minus 10, where students need to understand that only tens change while the ones remain unchanged. And finally, fourth group covers our ability to 2-digit numbers such as 32 plus 26 or 58 minus 26 requirement through algorithm. First proceeding the ones, then the tens. We analyze Different textbooks guide students towards these specific sequences. Analyzed teaching sets. You see the 9 textbook that we work in Bulgaria on 2nd grade. This slide shows the including wealth knowledge published such Prosveta Plus, Anubis, Bulves 2000, Scorpio, Archimedic, and others. The present of 9 different teaching sets as unique landscape. It demonstrated a rich variety of didactic approaches and allows us to contributively compare how different authors' teams deal with assembly absolutely the same critical requirements. Concept 1, approaches and striking education. When comparing this textbook, we identified 2 main stages of structuring education concept. The first is differentiated approach used by published, which as Prosveta Plus and Pythagoras. This method associated each specific mathematical case and operation in the separate lessons. The big advance here is the gradual step-by-step mastery, which significantly require cognitive load. The second strategy is integrate approach, obviously in Anubis and Bulves textbook, where different group and cases are combined into one lesson. Although this approach is compact and save learning time, and requirements are much higher degree of abstraction for students. However, it's actively acknowledge flexible thinking and help students understand the broader connection between mathematical concepts. Concept 2, evolution of visualization. One of our most important findings is related of the evolution of the visualization. For children of this age, the transformation from concrete to abstract is major cognitive leap. Identity, this process occurs 3 stages. Cognitive visualization, schematic models, and abstract algorithms. For building fast of accurately computational skills, textbook like Scorpio, which really primary of story-based tasks, read of that until concrete visual apes, make invertible hinder students who have not yet developed strong abstract thinking. You can see comparative analysis and methodological solutions with 9 textbooks in Bulgaria. This table note the difference in methodologicals. For example, Svetopus using a high-quality structured approach, different lessons, high visualization of objects, and written algorithms arranged in tables. In sharp contrast, UVS 2000, you can see use integrate lessons and focused primarily on oral distribution material calculations. The optimal model for building contents based on our comparative analysis of these 9 didactic pathways, we synchronize an optimal model for building these mathematical competitions. The most effective learning occurs sectionally taught 4 steps. Concrete visualization, analytical and synthetic approach, teaching students to consciously decompose numbers into tens and ones, helping them to understand the internal structure of the decimal number system. The third step is algorithm step, establishing formal algorithms such as recording, operation, and row tables to ensure computational accuracy. And the fourth step is exercise and test. Sorry. Convolution and recommendations. In the convolution, adult all 9 textbooks successfully cover the state standards. Their device didactic trajectory are actually a significant advantage. Every student learns differently. Some needs strong object-based visuals aids, while the others try with abstract schematic models. Therefore, our strongest recommendation is for educators to flexibly combine the models. In the future, it is impressive that our education materials are conditional updated to reflect currently European pedagogical innovations. And the last slide, this research is funded by European Union, Next Generation EU, taught the National Recovery and Resilience Plan of the Republic of Bulgaria. Thank you for your time and attention.